It's been sitting here for the past couple months. Looks like we're gonna be running hoodless today. I'll tell you guys why in a bit. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today is going to be actually pretty sick for a lot of you guys because they're currently hoodless. We're gonna go to storage and pick up the Carbonetics AB carbon fiber hood. We're also going to be going out to DSM headquarters. If you guys have been a big part of the channel, you guys already know about Lazy, Carlos, Danny. We're actually doing a little DSM reunion today. We're all taking our DSMs out. And hopefully, Danny, I think he was sick, so he might not be there, he might. And honestly, I hope we don't get any negative attention from the no hood. I'm currently trying to start the DSM, hold up. There you go. Oh, it's vibrating. All right, so hopefully we get no negative attention from police out here in Cali with the no hood thing. It's a little bit sketchy, I'm a little bit scared, but we do have to go pick up the hood real quick. People's looking good though. Oh man, it's been a while. I got it with the bolts, but you do need hood pins due to this hood not having a latch to do this. So I did bring tape to kind of hold the hood down while I drive out to the guys' house, and then from there, damn, it's been so long since I've seen this car like this. Some people like it, some people don't. Me personally, I think it's too aggressive for what I want with the car. This car is more of an OEM plus type of build, and the hood is just too aggressive for my liking. I did scratch it up a little bit from it sitting, but it doesn't look too bad. I need to wipe it down. I highly wouldn't recommend you doing this, but this is a one-time only experience. So I'm using tape to kind of hold the hood down all around because it is very common for the hood just to fly open and just break your whole windshield. So she's all taped up. Let's get going. I don't want to step on it because it's held on by tape, and I really don't want to risk the hood to fly up. So I'm going to be taking it super slow, driving pretty much in the corner of the freeway. What's up? What's up, my dude? Type R, Carlos's Veloster, Tony's 300ZX, Lazy's Eclipse, and of course, I don't know if you guys remember this car, the Turbo 420A. Damn, it's been sitting here for months. Oh, look at that. Let's see the twin turbos down here. Damn, bro, where are they at?
No room.
What do you think is easier to work on, these or the VR4s? Probably these, huh?
I don't know. I'll let you know when I'm doing the timing on it.
What is this, dude?
It's Ultra Swole Trimander.
Did you do this?
Yeah, it's 3D printed.
And here we have another Eclipse in-house. What's going on here? See a transmission, clutch, a 420A. It's taken apart. What happened to this car?
The transmission wasn't being held on right, and the clutch, it started making a weird like noise.
Yeah.
So we took it apart. We noticed that the clutch wasn't fully seated. It was kind of like sitting like this on the flywheel. So we're assuming that when that happened, that's what was making it, because it wasn't making full contact, and it started messing up with the transmission, making weird noises.
Got the gram lights and everything. Damn. I miss that car, but then I don't.
What?
This white one. Damn, looks beat.
He's going from the paint.
This feels like Christmas.
What was it sitting in your storage?
In storage. But dude, I'm not gonna use it, dude.
I need to raise it up.
Ooh. Dude, I haven't cleaned it.
God, it's been a while since I've seen this car. Alright, it's going on right here.
Right here.
Hey, it would look good on your car too.
Of course it will.
Alright, so here I have a ground kit. 6 of them. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, one's missing. 6-gauge wire. Basically, if you're having idling issues, if you have voltage drops, the car's running funky, it's always good to add these onto your car. I have the kit on the Evo already, but I highly recommend it for any Mitsubishi, even if you're stock, because grounds always help, right, Carlos? Yes, they really do. And considering that this thing's swapped, it only has like 1 ground, so I feel like adding this will benefit it a lot. So this is a one-off kit due to it being Evo swap though. He does sell the kits. Ray's the one that made these. He sells the kits for Evos, Galant VR4s, 3000 GTs, and then regular Eclipses. So I'll put his stuff in the link in the description. But otherwise, we're gonna install these, test fit them, and then see if they fit. He does label them, so it makes it easier.
Imagine Miguel caught everything that we said.
Like what?
I have no idea.
All right, we have the grounding kit from Ray on the car. So we have chassis here, all the important ones, to the throttle body. Right here, we have the alternator to the chassis. We have the cam sensor to the transmission, chassis to throttle body bolt, and that should be it, right? There was 2 extra grounds that we pretty much didn't really need. So I won't be using these, but it does have 4 additional grounds, which should help the car run a lot better. What are you doing? Huh? What are you gonna do?
Don't worry about it.
What are y'all watching? The game? Who's playing? Cowboys and who? 49ers. Who are you going for?
Bengals.
So a lot of you guys have been asking for an update on the white 428 Turbo Eclipse. It's been sitting here for the past couple months. I was waiting for the 428 block to get rebuilt, to get it done. If you guys are new to the channel, we pretty much ran through like 4 or 5 428s on this thing in a matter of like 2 to 3 months, trying to get it running and boosting it. We ran into a lot of issues, and well, it's been sitting here for a while. I honestly needed a break. It looks completely abandoned. The turbo housing and manifold seem to have rusted over time. And well, this thing needs a lot of work, so I do plan on either selling it off as is or keep waiting for the machine shop to finish up the block so that we could bring this thing back to life in the near future for the channel. But yeah, this thing looks like it's seen better days, but it just has been sitting. But yes, I still do have it. I still do plan on bringing it back, but if you guys want to shoot me an offer as it sits right now with everything on it, well, let me know on Instagram. You're good.
What?
Okay, they're coming over there. Oh man. We're right by the house too.
You just gave up?
Everything seems plugged in. Try it. Hit
Yeah.
pop? Oh yeah. Your ignition fuse?
Huh?
Ignition fuse?
No. What's the schematics on this?
There you go, it wants to. Uh-oh, did it pop again?
That's what I'm worried about.
Might be here for a while, so might as well bring out the pizza. And she's back. It was a bad ground? Huh? Bad ground? Oh. We're back. Oh, the windows don't work now.
Wanna get in?
Oh, get in? Oh, you're gonna launch it? Oh, give someone.
Don't give it to someone else.
You wanna take the pizza?
275.
All right, 275 front wheel drive launch control. Let's go. Dude, this thing moves. Like once it gets traction. Not bad. Not bad for a little hot hatch. And we're pretty much gonna finish off the day by watching football with the boys. What's up, man? How you doing? And as far as the carbonetics hood, I expect to see it on Carlos's 2G, which is right here. He does have to paint match it or wrap it to match the car, but it should look really good on this car. Just got back, your car breaks down, and how do you feel?
I got the full experience.
Yeah, you got it back.
Finally hang out with the guys.
Yeah.
And all the Eclipses, and finally I take Judy out, and obviously it breaks down. So
at least we made it.
yeah, oh yeah, there you go.
What?
You made a point. She's mad at me.
him for leaving her.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
you left her for how long? 8 months, huh? Yeah.
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Oh, I went up to Northern California.
And you were what?
Yeah, I was a norteño. I'm working as a firefighter.
Yeah,
in
he's a
the-
firefighter.
Yeah, the wildland side.
Yeah.
So I'll be doing a lot more of that in the future. And
But are you gonna stay here now, or are you gonna go back up
yeah,
there?
that's the goal. I'm gonna try to stay here, and you know, freaking stay around all the guys.
We have Lazy back. You guys have an update on the DSM, the carbonetics AB hood, and what's gonna happen to it, and of course, future plans with the cars. Do expect more content with the guys now that he's back. But for now, I'm gonna end the video. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.